Take a look at this sharp 1972 Chevrolet Chevelle. Very good looking blue paint on this. Paint is only within a year old. They were painted in 2019, so you can tell it does have fresher paint on it. Kind of a medium blue that shows very, very nice. Almost looks better in person than it does the video and the pictures. So you got the aftermarket cowl hood on there. That is hiding a 468 big block Chevy underneath the hood. Power steering, power brakes. That's paired with a turbo 400 automatic transmission. So good, powerful power plant in this car. Car sounds great too. We'll fire it up in a little bit. We'll check out underneath the hood. You can hear this thing run and everything. Like I said, it does have power brakes. Has had a front disc conversion done to it, and that is fresh. Some of the other things that were just done on this car: Sure Seal header gaskets, power steering pump, has a new interstate battery. Like I said, the front disc conversion has some new inner and outer tie rods also. You can also take a look at the underside pictures. You're going to see some Hotchkiss suspension components underneath there, front and rear stabilizer bars. When I say take a look at the still pictures, go ahead and if you look in the description below this video, you're going to see a link. Click on that. That'll take you directly to this car, which is at uniqueclassiccars.com. Or feel free to give us a call to 507-386-1726. It does have a vinyl stripe that's been put on it that you can kind of see. It's black. Again, has a very nice luster to it, so it's kind of tough to get it to show up in the video here, but see what I'm talking about. You can see the reflection off of our sign in it. And again, you can check that out in the still pictures on our website. Bench seat up front, shifter on the floor. And again, that is an automatic transmission, turbo 400 underneath there. There you get a little bit better idea what that stripe looks like on the side. You can see how nice that paint looks on it. Riding on Boss wheels. Good rubber. Chrome on this car is also nice. I'd call this at a nicer end of a driver quality, especially the way the paint looks, interior, everything in very nice shape on this car. Underside looks solid. And again, check that out in the still pictures. uniqueclassiccars.com, or once again, down below in the description of this video, there's a link you can click on. It'll take you there. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available on the classics we sell, and we can sure assist you with the transportation to get this car to where you're located at. A few of the other things I can tell you about this car: it does have a 12-bolt main rear, and it is posi. Has aftermarket trailering arms back there also. The heater core and blower are new. It does have twin electric cooling fans on it, as well as an additional transmission cooler. Like I said, this paint was just painted within the last year. It's nice fresh paint on it. Has some interior pieces. The carpet sill plates are new. The headliner and sail panels are also new. Speakers, some door cards, interior and exterior handles. So it had some nice refreshing on it. Again, to make this a nice driver. Won't be afraid to take it to any of your local cruise-ins, any of your local shows. When you hear this, you'll turn some heads when you're rolling in. Let's go ahead and check out the interior. We'll pop that hood. We'll fire this thing up and check it all over. Seats, vinyl cloth combination, matching front and rear. And again, all these can be seen in the still pictures on our website. Like I said, new door cards, those are looking fresh. Let's go ahead and fire this up so you can hear this thing run. Great sounding engine. Fires up easily.